welcome to Calvinson and Math. Let us look at this nice question. Solve the following equation using completing the square method. So we have x plus 1 over x is equal to 10 over 3. So before we apply the completing the square method, we must make sure that we have an equation in its standard form. So to achieve that, we're going to write everything as a fraction, and then we're going to multiply each and every term by the LCM of these three fractions. That is 1 times x times 3. So the LCM in this case is 3x. So that is what we're going to use to multiply each term. So we start with x times the LCM plus 1 over x times the LCM is equals to 10 over 3 times the LCM. So x times 3x, that is 3x squared, plus 1 over x times 3x, that is 3, is equal to 10 over 3 times 3x, that is the same as 10x. So in standard form, this will be 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 equals 0. So from here, we now apply the completing the square method. The first step would be to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So we divide through by 3. We divide everything by 3 so that we have x squared minus 10 over 3x plus 1 equals 0. The next term would be to take the constant term to the right hand side so that we have x squared minus 10 over 3x is equal to negative 1. Now the left hand side is left incomplete, so we complete it by introducing a c. So c is given by half of b squared. So that is what we're going to add to the left hand side to make the square complete. So we're going to have x squared minus 10 over 3x plus the new c, which will be half of b. Our b is negative 10 over 3. So we take negative 10 over 3, we divide by 2. So that will be negative 10 over 6. Then we square it. And to keep the balance, we do the same to the right hand side of the equation. So we add negative 10 over 6 squared the right. Now the next step would be to take the complete square or the perfect square in the left hand side of the equation. That will be x squared. We take the root of x squared, that is x. Then we add to the new c, or the square root of the new c, which will just be negative 10 over 6. Then we square it. And then we simplify the right hand side of the equation. So that will be negative 1 plus negative 10 over 6 squared, that will be 100 over 36. So the next thing would be to simplify what we have on the right hand side. So we can treat this as a fraction as well, so that we have x minus 10 over 6 squared is equal to, we take the LCM of 1 and 36, which is just 36. 1 into 36, 36 times negative 1, that is negative 36, plus 36 into 36 ones, 1 times 100 is 100. So we have x minus 10 over 6 raised to power 2 equals negative 36 plus 100, that is 64. So 64 over 36. So from here, we just take the square root of both sides of the equation so that we have on the left hand side, we have x minus 10 over 6. Then on the right hand side, we have plus or minus. Root of 64 is 8 and the root of 36 is 6. So it means x equals 10 over 6 plus or minus 8 over 6. So now there are two values of x. One we see when we take the positive sign. So it means x is equal to 10 over 6 plus 8 over 6, or x is equal to 10 over 6 minus 8 over 6. If we take the first case, then we are going to have 6, and then in the numerator we have 10 plus 8, so that is 18 over 6, which is equal to 3. The first value of x is 3, and if we take the negative sign, we're going to have this as 6, and then in the numerator we have 10 minus 8, and that is 2 over 6, which is the same as a third. So now we can try and check if these values are true for our equation. So the first one, let us check if 3 is a solution. So we had x plus 1 over x being equal to 10 over 3. So x is 3 plus 1 over 3, and we check that is equal to 10 over 3. So we can write these as a fraction. So the LCM of the two is 3. So 1 into 3, 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 3 into 3 ones times 1, that is 1. And we check if that is equal to 10 over 3. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have 10 over 3. And that is indeed equal to 10 over 3. So it means our first solution is true. So you can also check the second solution, that is a third. So we'll take x, which is a third, plus 1 over x, that is 1 over a third, and we check if that is equal to 10 over 3. So that is a third plus the reciprocal of this, that is 3 over 1, and we check if that equals 10 over 3. So we can take the LCM of the two numbers. So the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So 3 into 3 ones, 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 into 3, 3 times 3 is 9. And we check if that is equal to 10 over 3. So 1 plus 9, that is 10. On the left hand side, we have 10 over 3, and that is indeed equal to what we have on the right hand side. So it also means that this solution here is true. So we have checked. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.